Hello and welcome back to my channel. Let's start the unboxing of headlight grill for Mavrick 440 as well as a side stand extender. I ordered these from Motomod's website and I received them in 4 days. So I got the side stand extender for 600 rupees and the headlight grill for 1490 rupees. I also paid a shipping of 200 on both of them. Now let's open the headlight grill packaging and we'll find a couple of brackets. Inside is a top and bottom view of that. These two brackets we will attach to the front suspension of the bike, and that's the grill, the top and bottom view. Now in the packaging we also get the graphic of how to connect each bolts to the grill, so just follow that and connect each of them. Now it's really easy to install this on the Mavrick bike. The bottom 4 screws and then the top 4 screws are only the connecting points. Just make sure you tighten it. So on the left is the video of how it looks after installation.